Good news! As a member services leader for a manufacturing trade association, you can empower your members with education on the metrics and benchmarks they need to use daily. Why is this important? Manufacturers that manage operations based on numbers inherently have a clearer sense of how they're performing, and harnessing shop floor operations data enables them to influence revenue and profitability with greater accuracy. That's why optimizing production processes to achieve real-time visibility into manufacturing efficiency and ultimately increase profits should be a key strategic objective of every manufacturer. But most manufacturers still rely on hindsight to determine what might occur on the production floor. Pivoting from this approach to a real-time lens on production floor operations can impact overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, and drive revenue. Moreover, manufacturing trade associations in any sector can educate their members on best practices that show a direct correlation between attaining real-time visibility into OEE and profitability. So, instead of operating at 50 to 60% OEE due to less than optimal throughput, low machine utilization, high energy costs, and low collaboration on the production floor, members can attain real-time visibility. Visibility into all production apparatus to remove elements that degrade quality, performance, availability, transparent collaboration, OEE, and profits. Thank goodness! Advances in real-time data capture, data wrangling, and visual analytics technologies present manufacturing trade associations with the real options they need to empower their members to harness real-time OEE as a clear determinant of profitability. For more valuable insights, reach out today.